For feed asterisk 8 feed chain conveyor modified into. For feed asterisk for feed chain conveyor. Take out the drag chain module. Pick up this end of the control panel with your left hand. Remove the top cover of the third chain. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the side slot and gently rotate to pry open the top cover. Count to the 54th chain, then break off the top cover. Count to the 54th chain, then break off the top cover. Remove the top cover of the chain from the 3rd to the 54th. The top cover has been removed. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the gap between. The chains are gently rotated to disassembled, connecting shaft between 2 and 3. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the gap between. Chains are gently rotated to disassembled, connecting shaft between 54 and 55. Peel the line away from the chain. Remove the top cover of chains 55 and 56. Connect the 2 ends of the drag chain. Roll up the excess wire and secure it with a rod. Place the chain modified next to the video on one side. Plug in 2 pin plugs, fan. Tighten the screws of M3*6 to fix the drag chain set.